Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can search with a Google Lens. There is a Google Lens feature on Google Chrome that you can try. For example, let's try with the images that I browse just now. I browse about Dragon Age Veilguard, a newest saga of Dragon Age PC games, of course. And you can click three dots beside your profile, and here there is a feature that let Google Lens search for you. Here you can click it. You can select anything to search with Google Lens. For example, this one or this one. You can click, and or you can select tags and you can drag to search like this, like multiple images and so on. And of course you can pin Google Lens for easy access here. So here you can browse anything, and you can use a Google Lens to help you to find that you're searching for. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.